Hi, it's Joan. This week, looking at 2/1 game force, I'd like to discuss the one no trump response. Well, that's when you've opened a major, one heart or one spade, and it comes over to responder and they don't have a game force. They can't bid their own suit at the 2 level to force to game. The one no trump response holds all those hands where we used to bid 2 clubs or 2 diamonds to show our suit with only 10 or 11 points. Now we expand the one no trump range, because if the bidding is 1 heart past 2 clubs, that's now playing 2/1 a game force. So there are hands that don't fit that category. Where they go is into the one no trump response. So we expand the one no trump response, which really needed to be expanded, from sometimes it might be 6 to 10 points, but at other times, playing 2/1, you might have 10, 11, even a bad 12 that you didn't feel like opening. Well, now you would bid one no trump. So 1 heart pass, one no trump could be a minimum range, but it could also be a medium range of 10, 11 points. An opener must try very hard to keep bidding after that one no trump response, even though modern times we don't play that it's forcing. They could pass, but opener would try very hard to show their second suit or a 6-card suit or whatever it is they had. So the one no trump response has always been a very difficult bid, partly because it doesn't even have to be balanced. If the bidding goes 1 heart, 1 no trump, all that you would know is that there aren't 4 spades, there's not a heart fit, you might have a whole lot of diamonds or clubs and not a very good hand, because we can't bid 2/1 without a good hand. So the 2/1 game force system really works well with the one no trump response, because it allows us to describe hands that aren't good enough to force to game but still need to be shown. Try the hand I've given you and have a good week, everyone. It's 10 points and not a fit in spades, so one no trump response. Partner shows at least 5 spades and at least 4 diamonds. And because we're in the upper range of our 6 to 11, we've got 10, and we've got good stoppers in hearts and clubs, we can bid 2 no trumps. This is encouraging, and partner goes to 3. On the 6 of hearts lead, we think about what's the lead. If it's 4th highest of the longest and strongest, we subtract that 6 from 11, and the answer is 5. That means that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards that we can see above the 6. It means that East has no card higher than the 6. So confidently win the 9, and let's start on spades. The Jack wins, the 10 appears, we play the King, it wins, play the Queen of spades to force the Ace, discard the 8 of clubs. Now they play the King, so win the Ace of hearts, and we're going to cross over to the diamonds to enjoy our spades. But before we do, play the Queen of hearts, and now cross over to the diamond. 9 of spades is a winner. 8 of spades is a winner. And the King of diamonds, the Queen of diamonds, the 2 of diamonds is a winner, and we'll lose the last club. So we did incredibly well, making 11 tricks on this hand. The spades broke 3-3, which was good. The lead was from 4th highest, so we made the hearts, and the diamond suit broke 3-3 as well.